Question 1. The gas that could be collected by both downward delivery and over water is A. Sulphur oxide, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Hydrogen chloride. The correct answer is C. Oxygen. Explanation: not all gases play nice with water. Some dissolve and disappear, but oxygen is slightly heavier than air, so it sinks and barely soluble in water. That is why it works with both collection methods.